Wait, you can make creamy homemade ice cream using simple rusk. Today I am making a super easy rusk ice cream at home with just a few simple ingredients. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cook With Tanjina. So let's make the recipe. First I am taking 2 cups of milk in a pan. Now I will let the milk boil slowly on low flame. Slow boiling gives the milk a creamy texture. After a few moments you will notice small bubbles starting to appear. And once the milk starts boiling nicely, I will add 4 rusk directly into it. The rusk will slowly soften and absorb all the milk beautifully. Once the milk starts boiling nicely, I will gently mix everything little by little. Slowly the rusk will begin soaking up the milk and becoming really soft. After a few minutes, you will notice the rusk breaking down and mixing beautifully into the milk. This is what gives the ice cream such a creamy texture later. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Your comments really inspire me to make new delicious recipes. Friends, do try this recipe at least once this summer. It tastes so creamy and delicious that everyone at home will absolutely love it. And the best part is, you don't need any expensive ingredients or complicated process to make it. Friends, as you can see, the rusk have completely absorbed the milk. Now I will remove the pan from the heat and let it cool down completely. Now I am adding half cup of sugar here and mixing everything really well. Now I am pouring everything into a blender jar. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 2 tablespoons of milk powder. And now I will blend everything really well. The mixture already looks super creamy and delicious. Now I am pouring the ice cream mixture into a mold and sprinkling some chopped nuts on top. This gives a really nice crunch and flavor later. Now I will cover the mold with baking paper and keep it in the fridge for around 6 hours. Slowly the texture becomes thick, creamy and perfectly frozen. After 6 hours, now I am removing the baking paper. Just look how smooth and beautiful it has turned out. Now I am taking a scoop of the ice cream. Just look how soft and creamy the texture looks. Now I am serving the ice cream into a bowl. Just look at the creamy texture while scooping. It already looks so smooth and delicious. And those chopped nuts on top make it more tempting. And yes, the homemade rusk ice cream is finally ready. Creamy, soft, lightly flavored with cardamom and so delicious. If you love easy homemade dessert, you can definitely need to try this recipe. See you in the next delicious recipe.